I heard, jeez, okay, gee, oh, my bad, okay. Anyway, I heard Shumi had a coin. I'm gonna go get that anyway. Screw you, Nella. I'll be back. I'll be back with those quests. Oh, hello there. Didn't know you guys were watching. Gotta pay the toll. Wait a second, what am I doing? Let's grab that. Hi, Jake. Bye, Jake. Sturges, huh? Look at all these chickens. Oh my gosh, they drop stiff feathers. Kind of is like a chicken. What is this? Dynamite? Is this? Are these bombs or are these like leftover construction? This does look like something you'd see in a 24 show. About 24 hours. That's some dude. But I heard from the grapevine that there was a special coin available here in this subway. Gosh darn it. Go down this way. A broom! A broom! Eels got a broom! Hell yeah, dude. Is that a pirate? They look like a pirate. A swashbuckling buckaroo. Alright. I think we're about there. Slam for it. Ooh, look at that. That's cute. Oh, this is gonna be fun to do a shorts on. Okay. Oh my gosh. I lost the coin that my friend lent me. I can't find it. Shumi's lost coin. She has another quest? We'll have to do that another time. But today we're here for... Hey, nice. Hey, you kind of cute, Shumi. Nice hat. And shoes. Hey, have you seen a coin around here? Oh my gosh, I'm in deep trouble. I was gonna pay my friend back with that coin, so I put it in my pocket. I guess the coin fell out of it and fell deep into the subway. It's a special coin, so my friend's gonna be really mad about it. Well, can I ask you a favor? Can you find it for me? You know what? I just so happen to be in the search of this coin myself. So I got you, Shumi. I got you. Thanks. A good thing I asked. Phew. I saw a couple of guys draped in white cloth picking that coin up when I dropped it in the subway and running away with it. I tried to chase them down, but the entrance was blocked, so I couldn't go much further. No way. The entrance must be somewhere in the subway. Probably at a construction site B1. Anyway, good luck with that. Everyone else has turned down the favor because it was too dangerous for them to actually do. You look strong, so I'm pretty confident that you'll find it for me. I got you, Shumi. Let's go get this coin. Then we can go on a date after, yeah? What do you think? Wait, white tablecloths? Were they the Wraiths? The Wraiths took this from you? What I do know from the past when I first played this game, like 2006, 2007, is that this took me forever to figure out, but you actually have to come back and talk to Jake. And then you have to purchase a ticket. So we're going to purchase B1. And then we go to the construction site B1. That costs 500 mesos. You better not redo this, because back then, mesos were scarce, dude. But right now, we're loaded, baby. That was easy, dude. What the heck? Oh, easy peasy, lemon. Peel, banana, slip, salmon roll, crunchy, taco, pork rind, Steagles, Steven Seagulls, Tennis balls! Okay. Oh! Whoa! 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 Hi! Oh snap, we got through. Oh no 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 no. Oh, jump 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 jump. God damn, I'm freaking. Why did we jump right into that laser? We better not do that. Drop. Drop, jump! Yes! Oh, man. That felt good. Okay. These jump quests, they take you to another realm, another portal. Literally. You can't get to this place without doing the quest. Or like, maybe you can come revisit this just for fun. But, like, initially, you wouldn't know about this without the quest, right? So there's not really a reason to come here, aside from that. No! You know what? Except to come do this amazing jump quest. Why wouldn't you want to? Why wouldn't you want to come fall here? Please. Whoa! 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 No, that was pretty damn, yeah. Dundish. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I should not have jumped like that, but that worked out, so we're gonna take the small wins. I think we can double. Yeah, there we go. Dodge, duck, jump, space. Oh gosh, oh! Jump, 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 jump. Sorry, I just had to take out the trash. Now we're back, baby! No! We're back, baby! There we go. Easy money. Whew. Whew. Oh, I was being impatient. Yeah, I shouldn't be jumping here. I don't know why I'm jumping here. It's the wrong timing, Shane. You're just going the wrong timing. You're just going the wrong timing. So stop going the wrong timing, and then we can have some fun. How about that? Excuse me. I think that might have been. Well, that was just a sweet spot. That's a good timing, I think. Yep. And then we can. Come here, please. Yes. Okay, wait for that. Jump, jump, duck. Please. Oh! Okay. And... I think after this one. Yes, after this one. Oh! 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 Oh, man. Oh! Okay. Go. Oh! I think if I just drop and then jump. Yeah! Yeah! Oh, yeah. That felt good. That felt real good. What the heck? What are these Sturgos? I don't remember these. Oh gosh. They're just gonna troll me. They're just gonna troll me, dude. Oh, I should have brought a thief. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh. 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 Jump. Oh. Oh my goodness. Did you see that? Oh, I think they saw that, cuz. Oh my gosh. Oh, my fingers are like stiffening up. Like I got kind of nerve-wracking from that. Okay. Oh, okay. 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 Oh. Oh. It's easy. 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 Easy money. Easy money. Easy money. Easy, sexy voice money. Show me the Meso! Show me the Meso! Show me the Meso! Bubblings! Bubbling. Bubbling, bubbling. How do I get to there? Up there. I remember... Oh! Yes, I see you. But first... You can't grind here? I thought we could grind... Wasn't there a point where you could grind here? Oh, we can literally... We can. We just have to attack. Do they still drop? Wait, this used to be a... They drop familiars here. This is cool. Wait, is this the only place that there's bubblings? No. No. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. They got rid of... Wow. They did, huh? They did, didn't they? Wait, how do I get out of here? I can't jump down. Oh no, did I get stuck? Oh! Ha! Ha! That was scary for a second. Okay, treasure chest. Here we go. Open sesame! Open! I don't know why that opened. I was adjusting my legs. They were kind of stiff there. Like they were stuck in stone. Okay. Excuse me, Android. Want to put the pet there, put the pet. I just kind of want this moment here for this us in this chest. This beautiful moment. Shumi's coin. 1 of 1. Looking carefully in a treasure chest, there seems to be a shiny object inside. Reached out with a hand and was able to attain a small coin. Treasure chest. This location cannot be seen on the world map. Wow! What a freaking adventure. Let's check out this coin. Shumi's coin. The coin that Shumi lost. Well, this is now the coin that I am returning. Shit. Shumi's no longer in main city. She used to be... Real quick. Mr. Pickle, I think, used to be further down here. Like maybe right here. Or maybe over here. And JM either was in the same place or somewhere over here. And then this guy I thought was more over here. And then Jane, the subway used to be kind of like right here as well, right? And then Jane was, I don't remember specifically where Jane was, but whoa, look at this. We found someone else. Amazing. Hi. Here. I'm gonna give them a Fafnir weapon if I have enough coupons. Oh, okay. Well, we'll give them a hat. They have the blue guillotine. Let's fame them. Brine Star. What a good name. Later, Brine Star. We're off to go talk to Shumi. Oh, what happened there? I accidentally pressed up. I forgot. I haven't been able to. I haven't really practiced Vellum on this character. This is literally the first time I've gotten a character past, like 10K, for the second time. So I mean, this is my first non-main. That's sort of a main. She's my second main. This is my actual second main, and she's still in the progress of being worked on. So like, I think I can kill Vellum, but I haven't practiced. Because I'm used to like two-shotting on my main, who has like almost 40k. Oh, we went a little too far. Hi, Wraiths. We will be back for you for one of these. Bubbling. Please tell me there's still bubblings. Bubbling? Bubbling. 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 Bubblings are gone. Oh my gosh. I mean, they're not gone, but they're basically gone, brother. What happened to the Bubblings? There used to be a map of Bubblings. Why do we have 2 Junior Wraith maps? There used to be... I thought this used to be like Junior Wraiths and then Bubblings, or Bubblings and Junior Wraiths. And then Wraiths, and then there was like the Shades, right? Like Shade Wraiths, like Shadow Wraiths. Shade used to be a mob, but not a... this is like a field boss now, huh? Wow, how the times have changed. Okay, Shumi? Hi. Yes, let's get back to Shumi. Shit. Oh wait, that was the right way. Oh my gosh. I lost the coin that my friend lent me. I can't find it. Oh, we already read that. Whoopsie. Shumi's lost coin. I found your coin, Shumi. We have returned with the coin. Yeah, this is it. There are lots of different coins, but this one's special. Because it was made the same year my friend was born. Oh, wow. That's really sweet, actually. In short, they were created the same year. What? You want to know where the year is written? You must have bad eyes, because if you look close enough, you'll be able to see it. I can think of a date. Besides, I borrowed this coin for a sec because apparently it brings good luck. Anyway, thanks a lot. I can now return it to my friend. All thanks to you. And here, as a small sign of appreciation, this is for you. I collected these from different towns I've visited over time. 1 fame and 14,337 experience. Is that like a elite joke? Nice one, Shumi. And then what's the mystery box? What are we about to get? Oh. As a sign of appreciation, I bumped up your fame status and experience level a little. And although too precious to give away, what the heck, we got an artifact mission. Here they are, a whole bunch of the return scrolls to help you get back to town. I'll talk to you later then. Take care. Well, you gave me the right ones. if they're random, right? I assume that means we could have got like Pyrion or Hennessy's. I was running low on these, so thank you. I did need these. Although I wish you would give like some classic, like the lightning earrings. What happened to that quest? I thought Icarus or someone gave that the lightning earrings, but I haven't been able to find them. No. Shumi, since I gave you that coin, does that mean I'm the friend? Because I'm gonna take that as a yes. It's been nice helping you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more MapleStory quest logs.